it is like a grand return. If you've been around my channel, you might have noticed a radio silence from me. No vlogs, no Instagram stories, no life updates. Today I'm breaking it all down. Where I disappeared to, the insane grind I was in, and why it was the fight of my life. Spoiler alert, it ended with tears of joy. But first, let me reintroduce myself. I am Dr. Ayushi, your friendly doctor. Dishing real talk on health, wellness and life wins. I part through MBBS in Russia and buckle up.
Cleared the FMGE
In the very first try. So this doesn't come by luck. It took 6+ years of blood, sweat and zero chill. Stick around, this is for every FMGE warrior out there. Let's rewind to the start. I was just a 17-year-old full of fire and big dreams shared with my parents. Ayushi, you're going to be a doctor. And so we booked our first our first one-way flight ticket to Russia. Excited? Totally. Prepared? Not even close. Russia hit like a freight train. First year, I didn't know the language. I was fumbling Russian along with cramming anatomy and all the medical subjects. And cold, bone chilling, negative 20 degrees, homesickness at its top. It crumpled me so many times, but I adapted to it. 12-hour study days, group studies till dawn, etc. Fast forward to 6 whole years later, anatomy, pharmacology, gynecology, surgery, medicine, I had wrestled it all. I survived the breakdowns, the nightmares, the failed exams and the constant voice that continuously asked me, am I good enough? But I kept going on. By graduation, June 7, 2025, I was battle hardened, but I didn't know the real boss, the FMG, and there came everything. After graduation, the paperwork hell followed. Waiting in long queues, begging the officials to get ASAP stamps, endless runs, and finally by the end of July 2025, I was back home. Relief was very short-lived. FMG countdown started. 5 months, 19 subjects and 300 MCQs which decided my future. Outsiders say that it's such an easy exam. No negatives and nothing. But only us FMGs know how difficult it is because it's your life at stake. Fail and those 6 Russia years, future dust. I went all in. My daily routine was online lecture, lunch, online lecture. Then after that dinner, self-study and QBank nightmare. And revisions until 2 and 3 am. My room became a war zone. Everywhere books and there was no social life. Body rebelled, headaches, body aches, I'd zone out, brain was completely fried. But I pushed through. One more app, one more topic, months melted away. No channel, no outing, I vanished to win. January 17, 2026 was the day of exam. Nightmare twist, no first choice center, stuck traveling, no sleep, pre-exam jitters maxed. Reached to the center by 7 am, then biometrics and all the necessary documentation. Exam started at 9, 150 questions in the part 1 which were difficult. Obviously, I was laser focused but was constantly second guessing Am I solving it right? Am I doing it all correctly? Then there was a break which I couldn't eat because obviously my heart was pounding. There were a lot of things going on in my mind, and then we had to go in immediately for part 2. That started and the fatigue hit hard. The exam ended at 4:30. I came out, my mind was completely blank, and there was only one question on my mind: am I going to pass? Then came the 12-day torture that the NBE had given us for waiting for the results. My homepage was NBE website, continuously refreshing the site and keeping a watch whether the results are out. January 29th came the result day. I was just laying around in bed, rotting away because I didn't know anything better to do. So, and a notification popped up on my iPad screen which told me that the results are out. So I quickly called my mom and dad and told them that the results are out. All of us huddled on my phone screen and there was PASS. Those were the golden letters for me at that time. There were hugs, jumps and my ugly sobs, because obviously it is a big win even to pass, though it feels small for some of the people out there. All those years, all those efforts, all those sleepless nights, finally all the efforts paid off and my parents were even prouder now. FMG madness worth every tear that I had shed in past 6 to 6.5 years. So that's my coasting story. I totally blacked out until I made my parents proud. FMG peeps, this journey is a marathon and not sprint. 6+ years of grinding, breakthroughs, tears, everything is all going to be worth it once you see that pass. That is going to be the sweetest win of your life. Tips is consistent efforts, believing in your hustle and leaning onto the community. You are going to have friends who are going through the same thing. Obviously not everyone's journey is the same, but you are facing the same exam. Loved this? Don't forget to smash the like button and also don't forget to subscribe for more such vlogs where you're going to see many vlogs entering into the doctor life in India, because soon I'll be starting my internship as well, so you're going to see those vlogs too. Also, don't forget to comment your FMG stories, or don't feel shy to DM me on Instagram to get some guidance, or even if you want to have a venting session about the exam or anything that you have gone through. So this is the end of the video. Don't forget to keep inspiring. Bye bye.